Hi, this is Sarah with Sarah Loves to Stamp, and today's Tool Time Thursday is all about our new heat tool. So I wanted to show you kind of a comparison between the two, so you know what's going on. I'll be honest with you, this heat tool was the best thing that ever happened to my embossing life. My previous heat tool it took forever to heat up, and it took forever to melt the powder. It was just crazy. And I got this one, and I wasn't sure at first if I was even going to get the Stampin' Up! One, because I thought, oh, do I really need it? Anyway, so I broke down and got it. Loved it. And so when they came out with a new one, I thought, oh, I probably don't need that. Well, then I went to convention and tried it out, heard about it, and it's really awesome. So I just want to compare a few things with you. First of all, body style, they're about the same. This one's a little bit smaller. They both have the stand, which is one of my favorite features. And then you can see on the top of this guy, he just has one button. And on the top of this one, I don't know if you can see that, there's a 0, 1, 2. So it has actually 2 settings. And again, I didn't think maybe I needed it. But then again, I saw at convention how great it was. So anyway, the thing I love about this one is they showed the heat setting 1 to emboss with on our window sheets. Because if you emboss with heat setting 2, because they're made out of plastic, you can very easily melt the actual window sheet. So I loved that because I love the look of embossing on those window sheets. It's beautiful. So anyway, let me compare the sound for you. I was amazed by this because I thought, it's just gonna make the sound it makes. So first, here's the old heat tool. Okay, that's what that one sounds like. And then here's this heat tool. That's on setting 1. That's on setting 2. So you can see even at its highest, let me turn the other one on, it's quite a bit quieter. So I loved that. Anyway, but I wanted to show you just real quick an embossing demonstration about it. And so I'm using this cute set, Sensational Season. Oh, and that star always falls over. There's a little star in the set. And I'm going to use the Gingerbread Man. And then there's framelits to match it, which I'm going to show you in next week's video. So first you want to start with your cardstock, and whenever you're embossing, here's another tool for you. I'm kind of doing embossing tools today, if you will. You need your Embossing Buddy, and I just keep mine in a Ziploc bag, nothing fancy about that. But this little guy, he has some kind of powder in him, very fancy, and it's pretty great because it makes the embossing powder not stick, you know, places where you don't want it to be, other places rather than just the image. And then I'm really excited about this. This is the early Espresso embossing powder that debuted in our holiday mini catalog, which just went live on August 1st. I keep mine in a container like this. You may have seen this in another video, I don't remember. But I keep mine just in a little container, and then I use a little spoon and spoon it on. You'll see that here in a second. Alright, so I take my VersaMark. Wow, I bought this one just this year. You can see how amazing it looks. If you're somebody who uses VersaMark a lot, you know what I mean. Because they get pretty ugly. Okay, so there's my little gingerbread man. Oh, and see, I already have an early espresso embossing powder all over the place here. I don't even know how I did that, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp him down. Just nice firm pressure, don't rock the stamp. And then I can see him, you may not be able to right now because it's on white cardstock. And then I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the early espresso powder on. And I just give it a little tap. Oh, and you know what, can you see that? I got that extra line. And you can do one of two things here. I'm going to leave it because I think my framelit will cut it off. But you could also brush it off with your fingernail, or if you have a little paintbrush. I used to do that a lot. So anyway, there's that. Sorry, there's a little extra powder. I already shut my... Okay, so now we're going to emboss. If you're embossing just regular cardstock, go ahead and do the 2. Oh, this is so amazing. When I used to do videos, when I did videos with the old heat tool, I didn't think I could talk over it. I bet you guys can hear me. So just go ahead and let it heat up. And it heated up so fast. It impresses me so much. And then you're just going to run him over the whole thing. Don't spend too much time in one place because it's like not a good idea. It'll like burn your paper, melt your paper. Okay, so there's that. You can see how cute he is, that little man. He's so cute. So anyway, I just wanted to show you those couple of things today. There are 2 new embossing powders. Well, actually there's several, but there's 2 new colored embossing powders in the holiday mini catalog, so check those out. The Early Espresso and our new in color Gumball green, super cute. And then there's also 2 scented powders, which are really fun as well. There's one that smells, I believe it's called Peppermint Stick, and there's one, and it smells like peppermint, obviously. And then there's another one that's good for this little guy, and it's called Sugar and Spice, I believe. So anyway, check all that out. I'll put all the numbers up on the screen so you know what they are. And then just to make your shopping easier, you can just head to my online store. I can't put a link to it directly here, but you can go to my blog and I have a link to it right in the top where it says shop online. And then you can just type those numbers in and find them really easy. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you love this new heat tool as much as I do. I really recommend it. I think it's fabulous. You're not going to get as hot here because you can't touch the metal, which I forgot to mention is a great feature. So have a great day. Head on over to my blog at www.sarahlovestostamp.com, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Have a great day.